In hospitalized patient, ISI is a silent killer. Doctor, here ISI is infection, sepsis, increased ICP due to stroke. Doctor, to counter the challenges of ISI, need better penetration across bacterial cell wall, inside blood and tissues, and in brain tissues. Doctor, here in this board, two ball represents bacterial cell wall, blood and brain tissues. Doctor, to counter the challenges of ISI, you are requested to penetrate this plastic sheet through this antimicrobial resistance pen, sir. Please, sir. Thank you, doctor. To counter the challenges of ISI through this antibiotic resistance breaker, sir, a range of solutions are available for the ISI. In infection, a range of antibiotics like as the supine, Potentox, Vanco plus Combi, Zydotum, Tobracel is fortified with L-arginine as antibiotic resistance breakers. L-arginine ensures better penetration across bacterial cell wall and clinical efficacy. For sepsis, we have Solucor, water-soluble methylprednisolone, sodium succinate offers better tissue penetration. And for increased ICP due to stroke, we have a unique brand Neurotol. A brand of 10% glycerol and 10% mannitol ensure better penetration in cerebrospinal fluid. Sir, for more information, you can go through by scanning these QR codes. Sir, here this bamboo plant is a symbol of prosperity and wealth. And you are requested to pour the water twice in a week in this bamboo plant and request you whenever you pour to prescribe all plants. Sir, we are sharing you a precise and practical useful information of our brand like as the composition, spectrum, indication, doses and administration, diluents, doses in renal patient, stability after reconstitution and benefit. Doctor, to manage the infection, we have range of antibiotic. For ESBL gram-negative infections, we have a brand of supine, a brand of cefepime and sulbactam. It is available in two strengths, supine 1.5 gram and supine 3 gram. For MDR gram-negative infection, we have a brand of Potentox, brand of cefepime, amikacin along with antibiotic resistance breakers available in three strengths, so Potentox 625 mg, 1.25 gram and 2.5 gram. Doctor, for resistance in gram-positive infection including MRSA, we have a brand of Vanco plus Combi, a brand of vancomycin and ceftriaxone. It is available in two strengths, Vanco plus Combi 1.5 gram and Vanco plus Combi 3 gram. Doctor, for resistant Pseudomonas infection, we have a brand Zydotum, ceftazidime and sulbactam combination available in 1 pack, Zydotum 1.5 gram. As well as for MDR Pseudomonas infection, we have Tobracel, a brand of tobramycin and ceftazidime available in 1.120 gram. Doctor, to manage sepsis, we have Solucor, a brand of methylprednisolone sodium succinate. And to manage increased ICP due to stroke, we have a unique brand Neurotol, a brand of mannitol 10% and glycerol 10% weight by volume. And doctor, we are proud to share you that our brands are available in renowned medical colleges and corporate hospitals across the India. Thank you, sir.